Month. June is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, and joining us right now, Izzy Firth, who is the president of Lifespan Network. So thankful that you're here.
Good to be here.
Lifespan spans how many organizations here in our state?
250 organizations who provide care to seniors at different levels, different kinds of organizations.
All right, what can you do for mom and dad now? I mean, Alzheimer's scares the living heck out of me.
Well, it's a daunting problem.
Yeah.
It's a daunting disease. It has no cure. It's chronic, it's degenerative, and it's scary. It should be scary because for three reasons. One is it's very challenging for a person to have it. It's challenging even more for the family and the people who are taking care of them.
The caregiver, I think, you know, when you have an Alzheimer's patient, they may not be aware, but the caregiver, they knew where we were. Yeah.
Tremendously challenging to take care of a person at home, and the vast, vast majority of caregiving is done in a person's home by a family member, a spouse, a daughter, a son, and they're not normally trained to do specialized care, but yet that's where the vast majority of care for dementia is done.
Forgetting your keys, forgetting someone's name, that's everybody. Everybody comes up. Alzheimer's and dementia, it's something way different.
It's not normal aging, that's correct. And that's why it's really important for, if you think yourself or somebody that you know may be exhibiting signs of dementia, to get tested. It's really important because if you understand what your status is.
Do you get tested when you see the sign first, or do you get tested before you even see the sign?
No, you get tested when you see signs.
Okay.
Yeah. And because it's important, because you can seek treatment.
Okay.
You can understand what your options are, what support services are available, and you can plan for you and your family's future.
That's what I heard, planning. That's the big thing right now.
Right.
What happens when we get to this stage?
Sure.
Let me ask you about Lifespan. How do you help people?
So Lifespan is an association, and our mission is to advocate on behalf of these organizations at the state level, but also to educate the people who work in senior care organizations so that they can provide the best kind of care to people in these facilities.
All right, you're in your office and you're going through your papers and your studies. Is it something that we're eating? Is it our environment? We don't know.
We don't know. There's a lot of research around this, but there needs to be much more. We need to understand about prevention. We need to know more about how to do treatment. We need a cure. We need a cure.
Will there be a cure before we get up there?
I hope so. I hope so. I think it's very, very important.
Okay, well, keep doing it. Lifespan, keep doing it. Show us some life, all right?
Okay.
It's Izzy Firth. Thank you very much for coming in.
Sure, you're welcome.
Let's take a look at weather. Mike?